Your father's name. How old is your father? Your father is very strict or kind-hearted. What is the salary of your father? Is your father in government service? Does your father go to office on foot or on bike? Do you love your father? Do you help your father? Does your father scold you? What type of nature has your father? At what time does your father get up? At what time does your father go to bed? What are the qualities of your father? What is the weak point of your father? Does your father go for the morning walk? Does your father help in your work? Does your father give you gift on your birthday? When is your father very angry? When is your father very happy? Please tell me the daily routine of your father. Thank you.